Today I'm going to show you how to generate any image with uncensored.com. So the thing is with Uncensored is that you have access to different models and you can do different things, and all of these different models give you different access and different parameters. So on the left hand side you're going to go to image gen. This will give you the straight up image generation section over here. Now there's a few things that you can do. Just over here where it says Seedream V5, you want to drop this down and have a look at what models are available. Now each model will be capable of doing different things. They have different strengths, different weaknesses, and you can see next to some of them it says censored. Now of course, if you are wanting to generate any type of image, you will not be able to use any of the models that have the censored label next to it. So you want to go ahead and use any one of the models that do not say censored next to it. Now I'm going to use this one because this is what was chosen as default. You can also see there's a settings icon over here which you can change the aspect ratio. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it 16:9. And then you can voice in your prompt. So this is voice to text, and you can then just click on control on your keyboard and speak, and it will then take your prompt over here. Now, one of the other things is what I've done is I've prepared a prompt over here. Okay, so I want an image of Princess Leia, who's a Star Wars character in a revealing two-piece bikini on the beach. Now I'm trying to be nice here, as nice as possible, but I'm trying to show you the capabilities, and I'm trying to help you understand that there is literally limitless capabilities here. Now you'll see that this has popped up, and this allows you to enhance your prompt. So if you're not a very good prompt engineer like I am, you just write simple prompts, you can go ahead and click on this. It'll now add in this entire prompt. You can read through it, adjust it accordingly, and once you are done, okay, you'll see over here you'll have the original version and the advanced prompt. You can see that you can just swap them over depending on which one you'd like to use, but go through, read it, and once you're done, go ahead and click on send. Ladies and gentlemen, here is our image. You can see that we have all of the details. Now, the thing that you can actually do here is if you would like to continue to edit this image, you can see on the right hand side, I just want to zoom out over here, we have our prompt, and then you'll have the edit, modify, or undress image. We have download. We have a couple options. All right. What we're actually looking for is the edit, modify, and undress. And here you'll be able to further edit your image as you please. That's how you can generate pretty much any type of image with uncensored.com.